Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make cake videos for Instagram. First, find a bright spot, preferably with natural light, to showcase your cake. A stable tripod is essential to keep your camera steady and avoid shaky footage. Before you even start, plan out your shots. Think about the key decorating moments and how you want the final cake to appear on screen. This preparation saves a lot of time later. When filming, capture short, dynamic clips from different angles to keep viewers engaged. Don't forget to get those beautiful close-ups of intricate details, like frosting swirls or sprinkles, to highlight your artistry. Always ensure your hands are clean and your movements are smooth and deliberate. This attention to detail makes a huge difference in the professional look of your video. Remember, variety in your shots is key. Now for editing, compile your clips into a fast-paced, engaging sequence. Instagram videos thrive on quick cuts and dynamic transitions. Incorporate trending audio or upbeat background music to set the mood and capture attention. Consider adding text overlays to highlight specific ingredients, decorating techniques, or even fun facts about your cake. This adds an extra layer of information and keeps your audience hooked from start to finish. Finally, export your finished video in high resolution, such as 1080p, for the best quality on Instagram. Craft a compelling caption that tells a story about your cake and include relevant hashtags to reach a wider audience. Engage with comments and questions to build your community. And hey, while you're creating, remember to stay hydrated. Check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals to keep you going. Happy baking and filming!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.